Hello everyone, I've discovered another fantastic product and I can't wait to tell you all about it. The design is sharp and sophisticated, absolutely stunning. What surprised me most was the price. It's incredibly affordable for something this stylish and high quality. It's a versatile gem that works anywhere, home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. You'll find all the details in the description below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep up with my latest picks.